Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis on day after weekly expiry. Let's come to the point. Nifty resist near 11,900 and closed above 11,800. So my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is if it sustain above 11,800 to 850, then it's likely move for 12,000. Otherwise, if it breaks 11,740 to 800 zone, then it will come for 11,250 to 500 zone. Let's come to Nifty chart. Finally, Nifty resist near 11,900 and closed near 11,800. So for now, if it sustain above 11,800, then it's likely move for 12,000 plus zone. Otherwise, it will try to range bound in between 11,500 to 700 zone or 11,200 to 600 zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near its upper resistance, that 23,200, and resist near 23,500. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustain above 23,000 to 23,200, then it's likely try for further up move. Else, it's try to maintain a range bound move between 22,800 to 23,500 zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty resist near 23,500 and close near 23,200. So as per chart formation, if it sustain above 23,500, then it will move further. Otherwise, it will take a range bound move between 22,800 to 23,500. As per my exploration, there have some trading opportunity for index future. That's are for Nifty future. There have a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 12,000. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that are 11,889 and 11,969. There have a crucial support for Nifty future, that 11,630. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that are 11,769 and 11,700. Same as for Bank Nifty future also. There have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 23,589. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that are 23,378 and 23,460. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future, that 22,729. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that are 23,000 and 22,800. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading stocks with trading range with midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Trend. There have some typing mistake. Before trend, I type I. Sorry for that. Trend, that LTP is 690. Its upper range is 750 and lower range is 670. So if it sustain above its midpoint, that 700, with increases volume, it's likely try for its upper resistance or its upper range, that 750. Same as if it sustain below its midpoint, that 700, with increases volume, then it's likely reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 670. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint. Red mark stocks are more important for intraday trading. Trend, that LTP is 690. HDFC AMC, that LTP is 2,347. Hindustan Unilever, that LTP is 2,160. Coromandel, that LTP is 732. Imami Limited, that LTP is 353. Aarti Industry, that LTP is 1008. ICICI Bank, that LTP is 387. Glenmark, that LTP is 499. Pfizer, that LTP is 5003. Nestle India, that LTP is 16,304. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading with LTP also. You can mail me on my mail ID about my channel, or you can join my Telegram channel, that link given below in my video description. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for further update. Thank you viewer, thank you.